Hello, everyone! If you're watching this video, you probably want to protect your private apps on your Samsung M47 5G. Maybe you don't want anyone to open your messages, gallery, banking app, social media, or other personal applications when they use your phone. The good news is that Samsung provides easy ways to keep your apps secure, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Many users search for an app lock feature but can't find it because Samsung organizes its security options differently from some other Android phones. That's why so many people think the feature is missing, when in reality, there's a simple way to protect your privacy. Be sure to watch this video until the very end because I'll also explain the best method to lock your apps without installing unreliable third-party applications. You'll learn which built-in Samsung features you can use, how to keep your personal data safe, and what to do if you can't find the app lock option on your phone. There's just one important catch. Using Samsung's built-in features, you can only lock cloned apps, not the original apps on your home screen. If you want to lock those, you'll need to use a third-party app, just as I'm showing you now.